So hello everyone. I had my PRP over here on 23rd of April this year, and before that I had grade 3 baldness, and I had around 3000 grafts implanted, and it's been around 6.5 months since I've had my transplant, and the results so far have been really great. I mean, it has exceeded my expectations, and I was expecting much lesser, to be honest, but I researched a lot about this particular clinic, and this was perhaps the best clinic that I could find in Kolkata. So I heard a lot about Santosh sir also. So I had a great experience of hair transplant over here.